Welcome back to another broker comparison video. Now, obviously, MVFX won our last one, and today is a very good choice because I do actually know about OX Securities as well, and I know they're a very good broker in the space. Okay, so like I said, comment down below with the next broker you want me to do, and will OX Securities take the crown from MVFX? Before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, if you've been here before, you know MVFX won the last few, so I'm going to just go over it shortly, but I have done a breakdown of this broker before, so if you want a bit more in-depth, stay tuned, check out our latest videos. Okay, so as you can see, they're regulated, licensed, and secure. You can trade and invest in the effective way. Now, one of the big things about MVFX is that you do have the option of MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, but also WebTrader. So if MetaTrader is not available in your country, you do have the option of WebTrader as well, which is very effective, clean, and it gives that vibe of MetaTrader anyway. Okay, so as we can go down, we can see that it covers a lot of the pairs with the super tight spreads as well. You've got your majors, your crosses, exotics, indices, energies, cryptos, EU shares, US shares, and metals for your gold traders. Okay, so the account funding, which I know has topped a couple of the other broker videos that we've done, is they do debit, credit, and bank deposits, and also crypto. So not only can you deposit straight from your bank, but you can also withdraw straight to your bank as well, or withdraw back to your crypto if you're one of those that wants to be a bit more secure, wants to be a bit more off the radar, shall we say. Okay, so with MVFX, we know that they do the market expertise, the EAs, the market insights, and the analyzing tools to help you in your trading journey. Now, me personally as a trader, they help massively. The market insights and analyst tools come in huge favor when you're trying to trade the financial markets. Not only that, but you do have the passive income option as well. So if you're an influencer or you have a huge community, you can share this and make that passive income and have that multiple avenues of income. Okay, so with MVFX, they also offer revolutionary technology. It's one trading platform, but you have multiple different opportunities inside MVFX, and it's only one account type. So you just have to sign up and you get access to everything. You don't have to pay anything on top to receive better instruments, shall we say. Okay, so not only that, but you can trust, like it said on the front page, it offers traders the safest trading environment around. I know that their customer support as well is 24/7, so it's very good in that aspect. You've got email, you've got live chat, and you can request a call back as well. Plus, as you can see at the bottom, they have their social media links as well. So reach out to them on X or Facebook or even Instagram, and they're always very, very helpful. Okay, so like I said, the next challenger is OX Securities. Now, like I've said before, I know that these are a good broker, and we can see here on Trustpilot, they've got 4 out of 5, and it's a very clean interface as well. Very clean, very fast moving OX Securities as well. So they've got leverage up to 1 to 500, spreads from 0, minimum deposit 0. They have over 10,000 trading products, and their account keeping is $0. Okay, so they're saying why OX Security. So we've seen the leverage up to 1 to 500. You also get safe and secure funding methods, which we will take a look at just to see if they do the bank transfers as well. They've got a dedicated customer support 24/5, multilingual support via live chat, email, and phone. Trust and integrity, the trustworthy, transparent service at the core of everything they do. Segregated client funds, and advanced trading platforms. They also offer MetaTrader 4 and 5 available across all of their devices. Okay, so why are OX Securities different? You have a personal account manager, you get that bilingual support, service provided by knowledgeable industry professionals with years of experience, and you've also got email, phone, live chat, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook Messenger. Okay, so they're saying you can trade globally anytime, anywhere. They've got their MetaTrader, MetaTrader 5, leading online trading terminals, and they've got their IRS, which I'm guessing is like their WebTrader. I'm just going to click on that just to see. IRS, you can trade, share CFDs. Okay, so they've got their MetaTrader and MetaTrader 5 and their IRESS, which is for your CFD traders. Okay, so they're saying start trading with OX Securities today. They do offer their CFDs, commodity CFDs, crypto CFDs, indices CFDs, and shares CFDs, and liquidity accessible from Royal Bank of Scotland and all of these partners you can see there. Okay, so they do have an account for every trader. So you can go for the swap-free option, spreads from 1 pip. Minimum trade size 0.01 and leverage up to 1 to 500. You've got your account standard type or your pro where you're going to have to pay a $7 lot commission, which is where you get your spreads from 0 pips. Okay, so available markets with OX Securities, like I've gone over, they do their Forex, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, and shares. Okay, so we do have exactly the same. So this is interesting. Okay, so the payment options, you can do Visa, debit card, credit card, crypto. You've also got your local bank wire transfer, your Skrill. You've got all of these different options. So they're obviously pushing the bar with MVFX. So OX Securities are registered with CVGFSA Global, and it's a free, easy step process. You register your fund and then you can trade. So very, very similar with MVFX. Right, now that was MVFX versus OX Security. Let me know your opinion in the comments of which one tipped this for you. Now, personally, this was a close one. This was one that could have gone either way, but I think with MVFX, where you don't have to pick the account type, it just takes the win for me. Okay, so where MVFX offer spreads to all customers, that you don't have to pay extra commission to receive the better spreads, I think that tips it for me. Because $7 commission on per lot size is actually going to be quite a lot when you get to the bigger margins of the bigger capitals. Now, let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Also, let me know what broker you'd like me to do in one of our next videos. But hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.